For this I'll add little oil in the pan which I have already heated at medium heat. Now I'll add half cup of fine chopped onions and saute for a couple of minutes. Now I'll add half cup of bell peppers or capsicum and saute a little. Here is half cup of frozen corns and saute everything till veggies become little soft. In between I'll add some salt, some chili flakes, one fine chopped green chili and mix everything. We will cook them for few minutes till veggies become little soft. We will not cook them too much as we are going to bake them later. Now I'll switch off the heat and transfer veggies in a bowl and let them cool down for some time. Now the veggies are cooled enough, let's start making the bread rolls. For this I'll sprinkle some Italian seasoning on my rolling board and take one bread piece from which I have already taken the crust out. I'll roll this bread gently with my rolling pin. Turn it to the other side and roll it again. We are doing this so that all the seasoning gets stuck to the bread and we will get the flat bread to fill the stuffing easily. Now I'll take generous amount of stuffing and put it on the bread. And also put some grated mozzarella cheese on top of it. Now I'll start rolling it. For this, I'll hold one side of the bread and tightly roll it. At the other end, I'll apply some water and press it like this so that everything sticks together. If you have some stuffing spilled over like this, put it back and you can use it for the next filling. Now I'll make rest of the bread rolls like this. Now the rolls are ready, let's bake them. For this I have already lined my baking tray with aluminium foil. I'll place the bread rolls on the baking tray. Now I'll apply some olive oil. I'll first apply oil on the one side, turn them over and apply on the other side. We are doing this to get the nice crispy rolls. Now I'll bake them in preheated oven at 380 degree Fahrenheit or 190 degree centigrade for 6 to 8 minutes. Looks like bread rolls are done. Let me take them out. They look just perfect. Let me cut them in 2 pieces and serve them hot. You can serve these yummy bread rolls with tomato ketchup, ranch or any other dip of your choice.